What fossil Pokémon have appeared during the journey? The first fossil in the Kanto region, the Pewter City Museum of Science often holds large fossil Pokémon exhibitions, where attendees have the opportunity to experience fossil excavation. During their exploration, Ash and his friends discovered a piece of amber, and the curator extracted the amber's genes, successfully reviving the fossil in a machine. Interestingly, Aerodactyl is the only fossil Pokémon that is revived from amber, rather than a fossil. It is said that Aerodactyl was the ancient ruler of the skies. Unlike the current rock and flying types, Aerodactyl from the ancient times had dragon attributes. The second pair, the Ichthyosaurus and the Arctozolt, are mentioned together because they appeared in the same episode. In the Galar region's wild area, some fossil Pokémon fragments were unearthed. Ash and his friends were invited to help with the research, and based on the assembled shapes, the researchers deduced that the fossils were of a gill-breathing sea creature, adept at swimming, and a running bird-like creature that lived in transitional land areas. However, during the process of assembling and reviving them, the pairing order was mixed up, resulting in the revival of the Dracovish and Arctozolt. Interestingly, Pokémon revived from fossils usually have rock attributes, but Dracovish has only water and dragon types, while Arctozolt became electric and dragon. They are the only two fossil Pokémon without the rock type. The third Pokémon is Lileep. Lileep has relatively short legs, so it mostly uses its long tentacles to attack. In the Masters 8 tournament, Wallace also sent out a powerful Lileep. Moreover, his strategy was to use Cradily, then combine it with a powerful whip attack, which once sent Ash's Gengar rolling and caused Ash a lot of trouble. Later, Ash exploited Cradly's lack of agility, sending out Pikachu to control all its tentacles, and then used Iron Tail to take down Cradily, stabilizing the situation in time. The fourth is the Avalugg. In the quarterfinals of the Masters 8 tournament, Kalos champion Diantha used Avalugg. Although it has dragon in its name, Avalugg is not a dragon-type Pokémon. It naturally has ice-type moves, which are effective against Lance's dragon-type Pokémon. Diantha's Avalugg focuses on defense, but Lance was still able to find an opportunity to use Dragonite to withstand Rock Slide and take down Avalugg, creating an explosive effect for the show. According to the Pokédex, Avalugg is a long-necked dragon that was unearthed from an iceberg, and when discovered, it still retained its original skin and flesh. Considering the above introductions, the mystery of fossil Pokémon is truly fascinating.